So our next one topic is about using the non-metals, and the first one non-metal, that is sulfur. Sulfur is used for making insecticides to kill the insects and for making the medicinal drugs as in the medicines. And third one use is about the sulfur is used for hardening the rubber used in making the car tires. Car tires that are made up of rubber, and there is some addition of the sulfur to make the rubber hard. Next one non-metal, that is hydrogen. Hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel, so it is a gas that is used as a fuel. Next one, it is used for making margarine. That is a type, margarine is a type of butter. And the next one use is hydrogen is used for filling the weather balloons. Next one non-metal, that is a carbon. Carbon is used for the formation of living tissues in the living body, and carbon is used as a fuel, like it is a type of the coal. And the next one, carbon is used in pencil leads. Next one non-metal, that is a nitrogen. Nitrogen that is used for the formation of the plant and animal proteins, and it is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. Fertilizers are the nutrients that are artificially provided to the plants, and nitrogen is used in the liquid state as a cooling agent. Next one non-metal, that is oxygen. Oxygen is used for the respiration, as in our breathing it is used. And next one, it is used, oxygen is used for the combustion, as oxygen is helpful in burning. And the last one is in oxyacetylene flames for the welding. Oxygen is used for welding purpose. So this was our chapter, and then now you have to do the reading of this chapter, page number 102 to 106. Okay girls, Allah Hafiz.